Hi, Karate Kids. Sensei Adrian with Great Start Karate. And today I'm going to show you the proper way to punch with retraction. So the first thing, we have to make sure our fists are tight. I squeeze the palm of my hands and my thumbs go over. It's very important when we're punching to have a correct fist. Okay, so from here, I pull back both fists into retraction. You can see from the side, my elbows are back, my shoulders are down. When I punch, I'm coming straight out, and at the last second, I turn it over. And I pull it back into retraction. Other hand, I go out, punch, bring it back. So I'm going to do a couple fast ones so you can see what it looks like together. So I punch, punch. Hi-ya! So keep practicing these punches. Tight fist, tight retraction, and our punch comes straight out to the center of our body. Tight fist. Okay, thanks for watching. Practice those punches.